I'd like to introduce you to Sadie, a cute little, look at her, a cute little blue point Himalayan with huge blue eyes, cute curly whiskers, and she's a petite little thing. Look at her. She just loves attention, affection. She's got a roommate right now that she just does just fine with. She's cut into this cute little lion cut. Look at her. She's four-pawed to Claude, and she's looking for her forever home. Oh, bless you, my little dear. She is kind of a princess in that she only wants wet food. So she does very well with eating that, but that's probably her only real concern. But look at that face. And a yawn. Look at you. I just think she's the perfect little companion. So if you're looking for a very cute cat with a very sassy little face, she is the right cat for you. Good about grooming. She lets me clean out her eyes because she does need a little bit of maintenance with that. But she's just a great little buddy. So put in a nap right away because I think she'll go fast with this cute face. Say bye, Sadie.